the roses, red, gold and green. As you can see, red, gold and green. Yes, Messi, I love what I love. For the lunch.
Yeah, you see me I say? Yeah man.
Lunch.
Alifa, look on the red gold and green. Like there, we deal with it, you know? Yeah man. I want a red gold and green, a powerful thing, you see me I say?
So
yeah,
man. See the rice.
Yeah man.
Man, the lad talk to us, I'll go and talk to you.
Last them ready, you know?
Last them ready. One stop. Yo, one stop. Let them know so what they think, Jack.
Right, that's there, yeah.
Right there, sir.
Hot!
Hot. Hot.
Media. On spot.
Hot.
Yeah man, lad, let them know what you deal with it. Cause you, yeah man, see there. Fish well seasoned up already. Yeah. Ready for yeah, see there. Such a sweet pepper tree, you know? Yeah, so we have up there so now. Meditation! See there? Meditation up there so. Medi, say something to Medi. Medi! Let's say. Yeah, man, no, meditation, we have meditation.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Okay, think global, man.
I say, I watch this thing on like the brother Peter.
Okay. Yeah, you can big him up, man.
Man, a brother Walker, man, brother Paul Walker, big up yourself, man.
Yes.
Your brethren then the boat again, the same man them we are talking about, you know.
Yeah, there you
Check your color, man, again, one love, you know.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself, man.
Every time.
Bless up, man. Paul Walker and me. Paul Walker, man. We would have the same last name, you know. We would have the same last name, you know.
You can see your last name.
Yeah, man, Walker, my name, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you know. So look at myself, Paul Walker. Yeah, man, ital man, this year. I'm switching from Walker to Corona.
Corona.
Yeah. No more Walker, Rona.
Rona.
Blessed, no Rona.
Blessed. See the Paul Walker, we're there upon it, see him here. We never leave it, you know. And we have to get the height always vital, you know, it's the color loom, healthiness. So we check the color loom, and again, so so you know everything though. Have to check the color though, man, again.
And the curry and the fish fees and the... No man, you have to buy everything man. Yeah man, can look up back with you.
One stop. Yo, one stop. Let them know so where the thing drop.
Right, just say there, yeah.
Right there, sir.
Hot!
Hot.
Hot!
Hot.
Media. On spot.
Hot.
John.
Don't follow me now.
Wow, chef. Yeah, man. That's a 40, you know? 50 me I go. Right, you see it?
Go on,
Yeah, man, because I like red, whole and green Caesar rice now.
for the lunch.
Yeah, you see me I say? Yeah, man.
Lunch.
All for look on the red, whole and green, you know. I like it there, weedy with it, you know? Yeah, man. I want a red, gold and green, a powerful thing, you see me I say? Yeah, man.
Caesar rice.
Yeah, man.
Man. The lad talk to us, I'll go and start my food.
The last them ready, you know?
Last them ready. Yeah. Get them well, baby. Castro. Castro, what is wrong with you? Castro, don't make a big match on you. You know, go like Castro.
Castro.
Yeah, P there, go on do the right thing, man. Rasta, messy. The right thing. We'll put some water on it, P.
Yeah.
Rub your too tight. I rub them that bro. It's too tight right
This is what we ever missing in action. So that's the mess here for go to resort baby. Give it to your shower as I do. Eat them up one side. Castro, do something now. Castro, do something, man. Help out with that situation, Castro. I just a bite from my feet. What you don't know? You have to grass. Yeah, man, do something, man. gonna be a beauty me I tell you, you know. Okay, so the whole of this we are plow off in the boom. Look now. The whole of this so I hope so we are plow too, you see me? Right back round so. You see me? So you can see it pure callaloo and pop sugar right pan round pan the flank. So let's walk through callaloo and pop sugar right pan the flank so. You see it? So take time. That thing will take time, so we know we have to have patience because the journey is long. You see me? It's not a quick fix thing. So you know, so they are willing, and when we say willing, the art is willing.
Yeah, man, then I see me from your gun, I know I don't take no rest, you know.
Right.
I have to plow up.
Yeah.
Whole half of some say for the day, I want to plow up the whole half of some go down there. Burn out them there.
Yeah.
Burn out them there.
Yes.
Like so I don't clean off the whole house to make it look good, you know?
Look good, yeah.
Yeah, because I can't plow a place and scrape up the
Yes, Dream Team, one team. Dream Team, the farming team. Making it work. Give thanks to our extended family. As you can see, we're making wave. So we're literally at the back, you know. Around here, so we're gonna plant the pumpkin, you know that we have a lot of stone as well, so we're gonna plant a lot of pumpkin around here and melon. You know, so we're just making way going that way. So as you can see, we finish off over this side going up. And one rasta me see plow the up top. I go and make some, I go and plow at the same time. And I go put some seed to the, we're gonna sow some of the melon seed as well too. Yeah, so we're just going to take the time. Go back on it again. So we are clear with the whole of here so now. Light parks and torpedo out there so. So me down here so I go and deal with it down here so. Clean up the whole around here so and everything. So we're going that way. So pushing back these going that way. You know, so this is how we're doing it. Okay, you can see we have the fence right here and everything. And then we have the fence going up here. So yeah, slowly but surely we're taking our time because you know, so this is not a quick fix. You know, it's a journey, it's a marathon and things take time. So put in the time and time at the time, and this is the time to making it work. Farming is the way I say, and also we're making it work. Dream Team, one team. So stay tuned. Dream Team, one team.
Alright, man. Put it on.
This is the road to red, gold and green. As you can see, red, gold and green. Yes, Messi, I love it, I love. Red, gold and green.
Green. What you know now? This can cook 2 times, you know. So no. By the time it's in the fridge, it's a good look.
Yeah, because for free, you can see
Yeah,
on the freezer.
yeah, by weekend again. Yeah, because 2 times for the week we're there still. So no, Saturday, Friday. Can do a Friday and man put out a look out 3 or 4 hours. And I eat that. You see me I say? You don't have to go 100. You can go 4, you know? So this, you see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah man, so don't watch what left back man. This, nah waste, because we don't waste food.
Can't waste.
Right now we're going to Ukraine right now, we have to save food right now because we don't know where the crisis can come.
That is why we have to grow food.
Yeah, because we are planting food right now. And we are planting melon. Because right now melon are go short, so by next year we have enough melon.
Enough melon.
Yeah, early next year we have enough melon.
So we have some seed here.
Yeah man, see them
buy
there.
some seed.
Yeah man.
We get some pumpkin seed.
This is the ants powder.
Ansport and
Yeah, this is the Ansport, I forget it. Get
Melon.
some more time. See there? By next year, we're going to have all of them melon there by next year.
So then
All
I
of
go
them
plant when the back of the house, when I see the back of stones and everything.
So
we
you
got
worry
to
yourself by next year, melon there enough, man. January, February, March, April, about May, we're going to have melon.
melon like
June. Yes, I don't know, see the red, gold and green, I'm going to show the color the way, you know. Get a look around off and come back. Watch it. This, so this. Know this name? Okra. And you see them too. Drop on the ground. This. When you cook fish without no okra, and this will give the fish the, especially snapper, dapper fish, you know.
But this is the seasoned rice.
Yeah, this is the seasoned rice.
The seasoned nice.
The seasoned nice. Look. There. And my red, gold and green, my green. Pumpkin. Carrot. No carrot. The carrot is a thing now. You know, we couldn't use carrot. We got to give a look. Far boy, get a look at it.
Yeah.
Look, I love cook season rice with carrot. I love enough for this.
Yeah, the pumpkin.
Yeah.
Ackee.
Yeah, we have the pumpkin, ackee. And watch it now. We have the tomato, we have the scallion, we have the thyme.
The onion for the back.
Onion are the greatest part of, tough man even knows, the greatest part of the season. Onion. Yeah, man, good for man, you know. Yeah, man. Onion. We eat onion raw with saltfish. Yeah, man, see that? That good for man, you know. Watch the red, gold and green. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, big up all Rasta. Long time they big up David House, you know. Yeah, man. Bobo Hill. You know Bobo Hill. You know Bobo Hill, the left or back. A long time they big up Bobo Hill. See the Bobo Hill?
Yeah.
And you tell about red, gold and green, you know.
And this is
From day one, you know. Yeah, man. You see, too much meat I cook, you know. So I say, alright, I gotta spice up the thing now. Yeah, man. And coming this week, we need Ital.
it's vital.
Hold on there. This week, down at the shop, Ital. Peace, Ital, you know. Like that for be good pan one day.
Yeah.
Yeah, cause I make my boy show for deal Ital and whole for peas, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Pumpkin and carrot and whole heap of. Yeah, Ital weekend. A weekend, I call it down. So we have a Ital weekend, you know. Yeah, man.
That is
So,
it.
long time when I eat some Ital, you know.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man,
So
see
this,
there?
this are go in at the
Yeah,
seasoned
man.
rice too.
Season rice, this are going at you know. This are the green.
I go in at the
Yeah.
seasoned rice.
Yeah, man. So this now, natural earth this come from, you know. Yeah, man. This are the Isle of Low, you know. Yeah, man.
Hello.
So this are one of the main thing for human being, both man and woman.
Green good green for the blood, man. See
Yeah,
there?
man. So this and this are one of the main things for the human being, cause this pump the blood in your body, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Lot of greens, you know. Watch it now. Yeah, man.
When you enter the water class and you get
Yeah, man. I get the Ital. Yeah, I get the Ital Caesar rice, everything, you know. When I put the saltfish, when I use the chicken, when I use the back, and all them things can mix out, you know.
Yeah.
See that? The greens now, so I get it wash off and come back, you know. Yeah, meditation one of the Rasta man about help you out.
Stay.
Yeah, man, it's a
Very good. Go.
meditation one of the Rasta will give you a proper help in the jungle.
So,
Yeah, so yeah, man,
Yeah.
him clean ground good.
Jay.
See there, watch it, look there,
No, sir.
Watch
Yes, sir.
look there.
Yes, sir.
I wanted the wall fire meditation
See.
light. Check. I wanted the wall fire meditation light. I'm going to bush them. Look there, one of the wall
See.
fire them. See there?
Yeah.
Look on the freedom in them.
Oh, I
know.
mean, bless them.
Yeah,
Bless them.
yeah, man.
Bless them.
Tell them how she hear this. Tell them how she want this winner.
Yeah. December.
Yeah.
Yeah, going on
Christmas
December.
month, alright.
Yes, sir.
Medi, just show over the rest of the bush upon it and get it. Yeah. Yeah, meditation. Yeah, man, sit there. Hold it for banana tree. Watch banana tree. Watch it. Watch it. Pee a banana tree go round. Watch banana tree. Watch it. Watch banana. Pee a banana go round. So we have most of banana tree in the jungle. We have less yam. Less sweet potato. Less Irish. Less cabbage. Less callaloo. Everything less a banana tree the most. So I try to get them things up and running. Watch how Boomer deal with the ground. Look there. You know what kind of ground this Boomer deal with? Watch it. Rasta Messi, what kind of ground you deal with?
Callaloo ground.
Yeah. Eh?
Yeah, callaloo. Be vegetable are going
Yeah. See there?
Yeah.
Rasta Messi deal with the callaloo ground.
Stone them out tight, you know?
Yeah, see there?
Come out the stone them, you see them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And them second day a movie star, and movie star that day I tell about the new
the
king.
ground, yeah.
Yeah, you seen? I have a new king born at Trenchtown, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, at Seventh-day Adventist Church. Yeah, but we are the king, you know. Yeah, man. No. No, man. Look, let's see the fish already, you know.
Yeah, wait there.
The pandesa. Yeah, man. See there. Yeah, man, boom. Say something again, let them hear. The people me here again for a move.
Yeah.
See there.
Step on the ground again, I go and do the work. All of the extended family, big up and one love, yeah.
Yeah.
Pablo, don't know everything.
Yeah, man, let them know when they're grown. Let them know when they're grown.
Carlo go in there.
Yeah.
Pop chow,
Yeah.
pepper,
Yeah.
yeah, lettuce,
Sweet pepper.
sweet pepper,
Yeah.
hot pepper.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, everything I go in there ground.
What then I jump on the most? I will tell them, you know.
Banana.
Alright, yeah, man.
Banana.
I'll be a green banana. I say, but just I tell you, no.
Banana.
Be a banana in the jungle. Yeah, so I will tell them where you want in the jungle. Yeah. Yeah, watch it. And the callaloo bed, this the rasta man a deal, you know. Yeah, because we saw the callaloo seed. Yeah, man, the callaloo bed, this rasta deal, you know. See that? We have different things. Okra.
Yeah.
Sweet pepper, sweet, no, whole heap of thing. All up on the ground, look there. See there, we have bone out, we can't bone out and use out. The ground in the body ground, our ground.
Yeah.
Dream team ground. The donuts them ground. Extended family. Yeah, man, Pablo. All heap of donuts ground out there. Some of them remember certain names can't call, look there. All on the ground this. Everybody ground, just get along with Kino when you see the ground. See, proper up on the ground, you see it? Yeah, man, whole heap clean up on them, something that go on. See it? Yeah, man, I have whole heap more clean up left. So we need more, the whole team now to come show, yeah. See that? Yeah, man. See that? Yeah, man, let them know you're dealing with that.
Yeah, man, see there. Fish well season up already.
Yeah.
Ready for it.
Yeah, yeah, see that?
Start.
Yeah, see that? Right, see it? I eat that. Yeah, because Gino said down in the woods are going to film look at things, so yeah, we can there go and mount it and so it. Whoa! See there, see there, see there, see there? No fun, no know them standing in the kitchen uptown alone and them get all them standing come from we build them. Watch it now. See it? Enough, you know, shh. You don't need that. Second and put the pot over and make it steam down and do it one do. Whoa! Yes, mommy! Yeah, man, lady, man, leave look at the fish. Pick up the man, feed the man.
Come on, see the hand. Put
Yeah.
on the time, see the hand.
Yeah, man, see there?
Tilt it.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that do a life, man.
Yeah, man. Really, too much. Trench town style, you know. The boom and roll and the man cross the free, you know.
Yeah, or you catch everybody.
Yeah, man, everything are going good, man.
So the extended family say everything will go on.
Yeah, man, extended family. Yeah, man, extended family. Olive and Carla. Real Max. Max just come right there to come drink a beer.
Max and his mommy.
Max and your mommy. Yeah. Your mommy good and want to come in the bush.
So you know that was the wow chef
Yeah, man.
running around. I go in the highlight of the farm.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Come out here, you know, I can't do so much thing one time. So I have to
Yeah.
go and slap for bush.
Sure.
So you know, when you get a piece of wow chef.
Yeah, man. You get piece of lady. You get piece of boom. You get piece of talfi.
They give them piece of everything.
Yeah, man. I look a piece of almond we give them a while ago. Yeah, so.
I mean.
It's a nice talfi. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, see that? Don't tell.
Sharp with the rifle, you know.
Yeah, man. Don't tell Max and the mommy stay around there, so sit back and drink a beer and look on the and just look on the camera, drive on the road out there, so it's me I say. Yeah, so.
No, I say million. I say million.
Nah, man, a melon. I'm pumpkin, a flame going around there, so spread the all out.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, cause by next year, me have melon up and running, you know.
Yes, sir.
Early next year.
No, too.
Yeah, I'm not about January or February, you can go March or April. Yeah,
How long melon take for ready?
People, anybody know how long melon take for grow, just call me. Yeah? Everybody know how melon take long for grow, when just call on a number here. 1, 2, 3. If you not get me, when you press 4. Yeah? Anybody not get me on a number, they just call me. Yeah, I just want to know melon grow, how long melon grow.
Yes, so you know that was the wow chef. So yo, what is up, Castro?
Yeah, wash off it.
Yeah, Castro, what happened, Castro? Castro. Yeah. Oh, we have boom there, so I go and make it work. I go and plow. Yes, boom, Florida. I go and make it work. Castro, what is wrong with you? Yeah, drop the fork, boom. So anyway, so we start sow some seed now.
Yeah.
So the water so powerful in the yard, we have a burst. The light parks and amming over here, so I make it work. There's a problem? Oh, one side gone in.
Can I pass already? I pass now today.
Yeah, the water powerful, you know, man. That's not too short like this.
Oh, no, thank you. I'm sure it's not
Okay.
It's too short.
Right there, make it work.
Damn, too short.
Right. See there.
See what I go on now.
That is it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, cut this now, killer. Mark up that.
Give me now.
Yeah. Yeah, make sure put some good on it.
Yeah, man. So you know, do a mate shift thing, I tell you,
Them that never good, man.
That's
This
big.
is my leak, you know. Bust up in a 1 3 and long time.
Yeah, man. I done that killer, man.
Do it time.
Okay.
And it crystallized. And I broke all them, I look at all of them crystallized and I broke up. You know, same time the stone move and fight here.
Yeah.
So me there.
Yeah, man, tell you, man.
And they start spray.
Yeah, man, long time never not, man. They change the one change.
Run, go get this thing quick. Start pay.
I don't know say I have one where I pull out. I want to the wash boy, you know, same fly past my face that me and my friend.
Yeah, man.
And gone, so I saw them there in the bush.
Yeah, right, that's all. Them the right, that's all.
Me come on there and I chop and no know how far in night me reach chop.
I chew me never there to tell you. Look, it's right, that's all.
Them start swing off on me team.
See, yes, sir.
I'm just run and gone down this. I just go down this and chop.
Yeah. And the dog and son fast, so around here, so peeps, we can see that the stone is behind the house. You know, around here, so we are running pure pumpkin. You know, this is the pumpkin field and melon field. So this is the pumpkin and melon field around here, so I'll pay.
Yeah,
Straight
man. Talk to her, man.
Yeah, talk to her.
Yeah, she look beautiful.
Beautiful, man.
Yeah, man. What a nice thing around.
Wow, see the man. Pumpkin and melon. Run off the wall around us. So.
Whole lot of weird on me.
Pure pumpkin and melon around us. So we are used. This is the pumpkin and melon spot. So you know, we'll start sow the seed them as well too. You know, we are going to put in the work, see me, you know. So that is it, people. We are going to do it, make it work. So, yes. Now if I draw for the rake, I see the rake. Like a, yeah. Resort baby, where are you?
Yeah.
Resort baby with the rake, where are you? This is when I really miss resort baby. Come here and tell her she make it work with the rake. Nah, lie. Natisha would have come for you right now. Yeah. But me never go on bad, man. Don't you so after me that go on, don't you so tall pay, man. Brilliant, me that go on with don't you so, man. Whole down there we are go back again, I go back, man. That go on brilliant, man. Me right in so now we have some little was.
Yeah.
So anyway, the thing go. No fear. With a wow fire.
Them things I catch you eat that.
Nah, eat like a little wicked guy.
You peace
Already.
Just show. What go on? What go on? You say lunch ready? How about me plant them so? I mean, just show. What go on?
Just to move fast.
Happy.
Cash a Russia, you know.
Well rich.
Now link with America, the cash a Russia, link with, you know.
Wow chef.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Wow chef, that one look well rich.
Boy, them put a cook, them, watch it now. First time red, gold and green a cook, you know, from Ethiopia, you know, I still say, you know.
I still see ya.
Yeah, man, I love red, gold and green, you know. Ethiopia, you know that?
Yes, you know we have feast for lunch. You know, lunch, rest of Florida, lunch.
Yeah, man, lunch.
Lunch time,
Yeah,
you know.
I'm a feel.
We have feast for lunch.
Red, gold and green from now.
Lunch. Auntie. Lunch time.
Yeah, man. Step on the ground, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. There's a kasha tree that I get down, you know. Whoa. Kasha. No, kasha cousin. Don't want to look like kasha, but her cousin. Yeah, man. Cousin, man. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Go on.
Yeah, cause genius a dry it down, you know. Yeah. See there? Yeah, I go for some more gas, you know, whoa, fire, you know. All them dry bush I burn them out from the evening. Yeah, man. True. Yeah, man, you see it?
So run this table before it go.
Yeah, so watch it. Look around here, stay. Push up on this, up on the ground, watch it. Watch the ground. You can't play a ball on the ground, skimmage, watch it. You can't play a skimmage on the ground because the place are clean up now, watch it. Whoa, watch it. Yeah, man, see there. You just throw some bush on the fire. That's it. Yeah. You must see hellfire there. Yeah, man. Want to look more gas to bring it over, you know. Yeah, so we just throw over the side there right now and call it a day. See it, you see me? Yeah, man.
It's a beauty.
Yeah, man.
It was before.
Straight. See that?
That's easy.
Yeah, man. See, they got clean up there.
Yeah, it wasn't easy.
Yeah, man.
But I enjoy doing it though.
Straight, you see it?
I really love doing it.
Yeah, it's not easy, but we like doing it.
Pumpkin and melon feel.
Yeah.
Yeah, we so we have put our pumpkin
Yeah,
and
melon, yeah, because it has a stretch, you know?
yeah. You know, we can
yeah.
start Talpi.
One target.
So I go ahead
Talpi.
now.
Yes, tire.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, tire. That we are talking.
Almost reached Talpi, you know, so we almost
man.
reached Talpi. You
Yeah,
know,
because we go up to Talpi side now, you know.
so we almost
Yeah.
reached Talpi as you can see.
Yeah, so Talpi
Nice,
are going with them
nice,
thing away, you know?
Yeah.
See it there? Yeah, man. Yo, yeah, man, boom up beside them little thing, you know. You know, you can give boom a little piece and come out there. See there? Yo, Talpi! Let me see your last again, let me see your last again. Yeah, let me see your last again, Talpi, yeah, man. Hold on, wave again, yeah, wave it up now. Ah! Yeah, man, Talpi, so come so I go on. Hold on, I go for some gas, Talpi. Yeah, man. See there, look on the jungle, look. Yeah, man. Oh, there's a meditation part, you know. Maybe I go on with it. But down the mic. See there. Rasta mess up, let's do him look at thing, you know. Man line up a callaloo bed. Rasta mess up a callaloo bed for drop pop chow, callaloo, and couple tomato tree and sweet pepper tree, you know. Yeah, so we have up there now. Meditation, meditation. See there? Meditation up there, so. Meditation, say something to Medi. Medi. That's it. That's it. Yo, no, meditation, meditation. Yo, meditation this year. Yo, take him light. And have him rum and drink and him boom him alright. Yeah. Meditation.
Yeah,
Yeah, meditation.
So, man.
So the word made me hear a deal, man.
I know, man. Glory, man.
Made me pick up 12 local young jelly for me drink, you know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Made them part of clutch, look there.
I mean,
I said, no grass, that made it done.
yes, sir. Straight, man. Straight, man.
Meditation, put the bush over there on fire, yeah.
Yeah, man.
See there, meditation, yeah. Say something again.
Blessings and glory forever, you know?
No, man, look at my camera and say it now.
Straight, blessings and glory forever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Say again.
Blessings and glory forever.
I want to hear something different, because you need light, you need water, you know. You say something to the people, you know. Say something to the people, you know, Medi.
Tell you, sir,
Eh?
sir, sir,
Medi, say something to the people, you know, Medi. Well, yes, meditation.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.